These 5 scripts that work in real estate in 2025 to get more sellers and buyers. I'm going to be giving you the exact scripts of what to say and how to say it right now in this video. If you ever hung up a phone with a buyer or seller and been like, man, I shouldn't have said that, or I should have said this, you're not alone. Happens to people all the time. I'm Krista Mashore. I sold over 2,300 homes. That's why I wrote the book, Sell 100 Homes a Year, utilizing digital marketing, social media, and video to dominate my market. Top 1% agent. And I'm going to be showing you in these video trainings exactly how you can do the same. If you ever wish that you knew exactly what to say when a seller pushes you back on commission or a lead enters your inbox, you're going to want to take a screenshot of this. I'm going to be giving you a direct message DM script strategy that you can use on social media. Number 1, hey name, I saw that you were checking out X, Y, and Z. Do you have any specific questions about X, Y, and Z? So it could be like, hey Krista, I saw you were checking out my property on 123 Main Street. Do you have any specific questions or anything specific you need to know? Super simple. And the reason you're doing this is, number 1, you're saying their name. So you're not like saying, hey, is this Krista? It's like, you know their name because they already interacted. Also, you're asking them, do you need help? Do you need anything? You're not being pushy or salesy. You're just coming from a place of concern and a place of adding value. Script number 2, following up with the buyer after you've sent them properties. Hey name, that one might not be a good fit. Here are a few off-market properties. Send them properties that are off-market, properties that are coming soon, something that's not listed yet, if you're allowed to in your MLS, in your area. Number 3, following up after a listing appointment. Pro tip, before you even get in that car and turn on that key, do a personalized video text messaging, saying their name, mentioning something about the property that you loved, and letting them know you cannot wait to work with them if you did not get the contract signed. If you did get the contract signed, do the same thing. Hey name, can't wait to work with you, so excited. Here's our next steps. Video text messages. So you didn't get the listing. Hey name, do you feel confident moving forward, or is there anything you'd like me to clear up so that we can move forward? Number 4, hey name, here is exactly what's happening right now in your local neighborhood. Tell them what's happening locally. They want to know. Active, listing, sold. They live there. They care about it. When you see somebody sign on the front of someone else's yard, first thing you do is you get mad because they didn't hire you. Second thing is you wonder what the house is listed for because you live there and you care. So does everyone else in the neighborhood. So be that go-to trusted resource and tell them. And number 5, how to get referrals. Hey name, if you feel comfortable with my services, if you knew of anybody who's thinking about buying or selling, would you mind making me an introduction? Super simple, right? Ask if they feel comfortable. They liked your services. Ask if they know anybody. That's how you get more referrals. So those direct message strategies are going to help you get more sellers, get more buyers, stay top of mind, not be forgotten. Make it simple, not too salesy, not too pushy. Give them value, help as much as you can without being that pushy guy, and I guarantee you it will help. Think about you, what you do. Do you answer your phone? Not a lot, but you look at every single text message. And if a buyer is serious or a seller is serious, they are looking at their phone. So reach out to them and connect with them the way that they like to be connected with, which is typically the way that you do too, on your phone, on your text message. Hope you like this video. Watch the next one. Let me know in the comments which DM strategy are you going to start using and which one worked for you the best. I'm Krista Mashore, and I can't wait to see you next time.
Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.